Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will start the second part of the orthocenter. As we have solved previously the first line of orthocenter. After solving those three lines, I have got the 3 points. After getting these 3 points, we need to further solve it by using the slope formula of y2 minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 by using the point vertices B and C. 1 minus of minus 6 becomes plus 6, 3 minus of minus plus 4 becomes 7, so it becomes 1. So by using the slope formula for perpendicular, we use 1 by minus of minus m, so it becomes minus 1. Then by we need to find the equation of b first. To find the equation of b, before that we need to find the equation of AD, where y we use the formula y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, and y1 the formula of y1 is a minus of minus 27, so minus of minus becomes plus 27, and this 17 become minus 17. So yeah, we get the equation after solving this, x plus y plus 10 is equal to 0. This becomes the first equation. After this equation, we need to find the second equation, that is BE. So then we need to use the formula of same as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 1 plus 27 by 3 minus 17. So this becomes minus 2. After we get the minus 2 equation, same as it is, we have done the using the formula of slope AD. So we need to use the formula of for the slope BE as 1 by minus of minus m, as this 2 becomes minus of minus 2 becomes plus 2. So 1 by 2 it becomes. So after that, we need to substitute here the formula of m, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Then here, by substituting the value of b and x1 and y1, we get equation as this. After solving, x minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. After that, after getting these two equations, we need to solve 1 and 2, and then we get the formula. We get the by using the elimination method or substitution method, we can solve this. I am using here the elimination method. So x and x get cancelled, and this plus 2y plus y becomes 3y. This 8 plus 10, it becomes 18. Y is equal to minus 6. After substituting this in the first equation or in the second equation, we get after solving this, we get x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 6. So this is all. We have done the formula. We have done the equation and solved orthocenter, and the points are minus 4 and minus 6. So if you guys like the video, do subscribe, and if you have any doubt, comment below. And if you have any difficult topic, then do comment. I will make the video, and do subscribe. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.